Hi, I am Revathi. I am working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic about stored functions. Stored function. What is meant by stored function? Stored function is a special kind of stored program that returns a single value. Advantages of stored function. A stored function encapsulates common formula or business rule that are reusable among SQL statements or stored programs. Functions can be used in SQL statement wherever an expression is used. This improves readability and maintainability of the procedural code. The stored function is almost similar to the procedure in MySQL, but it has some difference that are as follows. The function parameter may contain only the in parameter, but can't allow specifying this parameter, while the procedure can allow in-out parameters. The stored function can return only a single value defined in the function header. The stored function may also be called within SQL statements also. It may not produce a result set. The syntax of creating a stored function in MySQL is as follows. Delimiter, create function, function name, function parameter, return data type, not characteristics, function body. Function name. It is the name of the stored function that we want to create in a database. It should not be the same as the built-in function name of the MySQL. Next one is function parameter. It contains the list of parameters used by the function body. It does not allow to specify in-out parameters. Data type. It is a data type of return value of the function. It should be any valid MySQL data type. Characteristics. The create function statement only accepted when the characteristics are deterministic, no SQL or read SQL data are defined in the declaration. Function body. The parameter has a set of SQL statements to perform the operations. It requires at least one return statement. When the return statement executes, the function will be terminated automatically. The function body is given below. Begin statement, end SQL statements, end with delimiter. We will see one example for creating function. Before that, we need to create a table and insert the values into the table and display the values. First, we will see how to create table. Create table name. Then data type, size. Using we can create table. Now we are going to create book table. Create table books. Book name is an field name. Varchar of 30. Data type and then size. Then book cost is the field name. Float is then data type. Selling price is the field name. Float is a data type. Using this field name and data type, we are going to create books table. Next, we are going to insert values into the books table using insert function. Insert into table name. Table name is books, then values web 99.95, 140.00. If you are going to insert string values, you have to use a single quotes for defining string values. How much records you want, using insert command, insert the values. Next, we will see how to create function. First, you have to mention delimiter function, create function, function name is profit, then cost, float, price, float. These are parameters inside the function name, that is cost and price. It returns decimal data type, and then size you have to mention. So 9 comma 2, deterministic. Begin, declare, profit, decimal 9 comma 2. Here variable name is profit, then data type is decimal, and then you have to mention size 9 comma 2. Set profits equal to price minus cost. Then return the profit. So we are going to calculate profit for the book. Then after that you have to return the value. So return profit. Select book name comma profit, book cost comma selling price as profit from books. Here only two values are selected from the table book, that is book name and profit. Profit is the title name and books is the table name. Now we are displaying book name and profit. Web book profit is 40.05, RDBMS book profit is 57.60, SE book profit is 34.65. Using function, stored function, we calculate profit for the books. Then how to drop the function? Using drop function, you can remove the functions. Drop function if exist profit. Profit is the function name. Now we are going to check again whether the function is removed or not. So you have to use that select command again. Select book name comma profit, book cost comma selling price as profit from books. It gives error because already using drop function we removed profit from the, we are already removed that function using drop function. Thank you.